Now today we are doing try these page number 11 class 6 maths NCERT. Now this is question number 1. Read these numbers, write them in place value placement boxes. Placement boxes means place value chart, and then write their expanded forms. Also tell which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number, and also arrange them in ascending and descending order. Now first of all you will make like this, write numbers, then here place values ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now you will put the numbers according to this: 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4. After that 5, 1, 2, 7, 4, 8, 9, 0, 1, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 9, 4, 9, 0, 8, 5, 4, 0, 3. So you can read this like 4 lakh 75,320. 9, both are lakhs, so we will read both together. 98 lakh 47,215. Then 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. 3 crore 4 lakhs 58,094. Now these are the expanded forms of the given numbers. 4 is in lakhs, so it will have 5 zeros, 4 and 5 zeros. 7, 10,000, then 7 and 4 zeros. 5,000, 5 and 3 zeros, 320. And then this 9 crore 90 lakh, then 8 lakh 4 10,000, 7,210 and 5. Same as 9, this is in crore. 70 lakh 60 lakhs, this is 7 10 lakhs, or this is 6 lakh. 4 10,000s, 5,000, then 300 and then 10. This is 3 crore, then 4 lakhs, because यहाँ पे जो है 10 lakh प्लेस 0 है. 5 10,000s, 8,000, 90 and then 4 plus 4. Now these are the answers of which is smallest, which is greatest, and writing in ascending and descending order of question number 1. So here 4,75,320 is the smallest number, and then 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310 is the greatest number. And for the ascending order, you can write numbers in this way: 4,75,320. After that 98 lakh 47,215. After that 3 crore 4 lakh 58,094. And after that 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. In descending order, you can write from the smaller to from the greater to smaller. Same order you will write in reverse. Now this is question number 2. Read these numbers and write them in placement boxes, means place value chart, and write them in Indian and international system using commas also, and arrange them in ascending and descending order also. Now let us find out. For writing these numbers in tabular form, first of all make this type table. Here you will write number, then these numbers, and then here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh. Or one more you can write here, that is crore. Now we will write these numbers from the last, means from ones. 4, 6, 8, 7, 2, 5. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Then 9, 4, 0, 0, 5, 9, 8, 1. Then 9, 0, 5, 2, 0, 0, 0, 7. Now here you can see, now we have written all the numbers in the placement boxes. After that there is one more question: write all the numbers in Indian and international system using commas, and after that write ascending and descending order. Now in this we are required to write the numbers in Indian system as well as in international system using commas. तो आपको पता होगा कि इंडियन सिस्टम में जो कॉमा होता है वो पहले 3 प्लेसेस के बाद फिर 2 प्लेस के बाद लगता है, और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में जो कॉमास होते हैं वो 3 प्लेसेस के बाद लगाए जाते हैं. सो हेयर वी कैन राइट 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4 and comma after 3 digits and then after 2 digits. Again 9, 5, 4, 3, 2 comma after 3 digit and no digit is here, so that's why no commas. Then 4, 0, 0, 5, 9, 1, 8, then comma after 3 digits, then 2 digits and again 2 digits. After that 3 zeros, 2, 5, 0, 9, then after 3 digits, then 2 digits and then 2 digits. Now this Indian system is completed. Now international system. In this you will place comma after 3 digits, then after 3 digit and no digit is there, that's why only 1 comma, then again after 3 digits. First of all write the digit, then here after 3 digits comma, and then again after 3 digits. Now here after 3 digits, then again after 3 digits. So in this way you are required to put commas according to Indian system and international system. Now write them in ascending order and descending order. Ascending descending order, write yourself same as question number 1, as we have done in question number 1.